What's going on, guys? Carolina Southern Outdoors here with
Country Style.
Hey man, we out here in the swamp about to doing some fishing, man. We done entered the big, what's the name of it?
The 8th annual Big Red Breast Tournament.
Yep, Bamberg, South Carolina. So basically, you know, we can fish everything, every bit of water besides a pond. So we got the one that we after is the 10 biggest red breast. So that's the one we shooting for. And I'm pretty sure we can get that W on that one. We can get first place on that one. But you know, a lot of guys, I think they hitting the river. They hitting the Edisto River on boats. But me and JT, me and Country Style, we about to sit here, hit it on foot, hit these creeks up, get these red breasts with them beetle spins.
That's right. Gonna show y'all, hey, them big ones ain't only in that big river, boy. We about to pull them out these creeks.
Yes, sir. Stay tuned. Yep, we down here in the swamp, me and Country Style. But look on out there, look who down here too. Tell you what, when you out here, you better use that off, not repel, because they'll eat that up. Hey, my bad, repel, man. Hey, but I'm just keeping it 100.
Keeping it 100.
Hey, man.
Hey, they will be on our behinds if we had repel.
Hey, last time I came out here, y'all, I had that repel, man. I got the highest deep percentage, it didn't matter. Them damn mosquitoes came and licked that shit off my face. Alright, guys. Shout out to Omega. Shout out to Ugly Stick. Shout out to Johnson. Yeah. The deadliest beetle spin in the South. South Carolina, that is. Well, guys, here we go. Water's low.
It was yeah, they had no fishing.
There you go. This how it's happening right here. And this is what I had time just to show y'all. This is just the beginning. We 10 minutes in. That's how we gonna do it. Ain't that right, Money?
That's right. We getting it done.
Stay tuned.
So that's why you got them hip boots.
Hey, how Turtle Man say? Live action. Kitty! Country Style almost stepped on this copperhead. Look at that. Look at the boot print. Yeah, he easily stepped on his tail.
Yeah.
Well, that's why we got on these chaps. Well, should I let you live? Well, guys, that was the first stop. Now we about to go to the second stop.
We got half of them. We going for the other half.
Yeah, that's how we do it. Heading back to the Yoda. Jump in and we're gonna go to the next. Stay tuned. Numero uno. Now, big dog right here waiting. Tell you better get out there. I can't take it no more, fellas. I'm about to dive in. We gotta get down and go wherever. Do whatever it takes to win. That's what we do. That's right. Everybody else on the boat, we hit the land. Step back and throw. Oh yeah. See what we're gonna do. Got slow for a minute. Now we right back in it. Just like that right there. Mwah. Let's do it. What you got, T? Garfish? T over there catching garfish. What you say, T?
Hey, we pushing. Pushing. Hey, we gonna get it done now.
Yeah. Get it done. Well, guys, this is the last hoorah. The last place we gonna go to. You know, we go wherever to get them. No matter where, we'll be there. Let's do it. Let the games. Well, guys, I guess they gotta watch where they crawling. And another one. Haha. What's going on, guys? Starting to rain on us, but we need 2 more good red breasts in order to cap it off. So long as the lightning holds off, we're gonna continue to push. Tell you what, guys, this is what you need to find right here, all you coon hunters out there. When the dog tree way across the creek, the water up, this the log, aka tree I need to walk across. Easy peasy. Yo, it's a wrap.
It's a Reynolds.
We heading into the weigh-in right now. Gotta be there before 4 o'clock. It's 3:34. We managed to pull it off. JT came through in the clutch with the last 3 in the end.
Steph Curry with the 3.
Yeah, man.
Hey, we was down. We was pushing hard in the 4th quarter.
Pushing hard in the 4th quarter.
Hey, we came through. We came through.
Yeah, but we're gonna see how everything turns out. And either way, it's a win-win. It's a win-win. So and we'll show y'all the fish sooner than later. But until then, stay tuned. Heading to the weigh-in. Fellas, that was our boat.
That 250 pattern chocolate.
Hey, but we about to get out, man, and go in here and see what it is.
Yes, sir.
Wish us luck.
Hey.
But you know, either way, when we do it how?
Country style.
Stay tuned. That's a big one right there.
Well, we trying to get something done. Every advantage. Hey, there you go. Every advantage. 0.8, right? What's up? You didn't hear me? I thought everybody in Bamberg County heard me.
0.8 on the biggest red breast.
Oops.
What's going on now? Shoot. Doing pretty good?
Huh?
Doing pretty good?
Yeah, we had a rough day today.
Rough day. We ain't got nothing but 10 now, baby.
Well, what we'll do is we'll do the 10, and then we'll pick your biggest one out.
There you go. That's fine with me. I needed your help this morning, man.
What's that?
I needed your help this morning, man. Yeah, we needed your help this morning.
Drop it in the dirt, help them out.
10 biggest red breasts for Thomas and
Kaiser.
you. All right, you done got the names down?
Yes.
5.4. All right, now figure out which one your biggest red breast in there.
All right, JT, make a good
If you want to weigh
choice
one,
in there now.
see whatever. 0.7. Baby, 0.7.
Hey man, I think we went pretty good. Yeah, hey, the ones that was for us, they was 5 something too.
Yeah, they was 5 something.
Like I said, consistency was the key to everything.
Yeah, right.
But
Either there or right there behind my house.
that's right. It's all good though.
It's all good.
Hey, we 5 plus.
You 5 plus.
You can roll with.
5
As long as you
plus.
5 plus, it's good.
In the running.
That's right.